I had to tune my guitar down to a D, so everything is 2 half steps down. That's just for my singing because it's real high in my register. So let's learn this song. It's pretty simple. C. And the strum pattern, for those of you who like strum patterns, could be down, down, up, down, down, up, down. D, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. G, down, down, up, down, up, down. E minor. Right, that's the whole chord progression of the song. And then there's a little riff that plays on the verses. So that's out of the G pentatonic. This is that like extension box. And that, so it's 3 to 5 on the B string, then 2 to 4 on the G string, and then you always end up with the open string, and then you come to the D on the 2nd fret. So I'll be starting at 3. What you could do is use your ring finger for the G, the B string, and use your middle finger for the G string, and then come to the D string and end it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have fun playing that one. I really quite like that song. Bye-bye.